Firstly, let's talk about carbon monoxide. You cannot see or smell carbon monoxide. Every year, at least 500 people die in the US from accidental CO poisoning. Approximately 80,100 people in the US were rushed to the emergency department each year due to accidental CO.
This innovation is inclined towards the automotive industry. Why are defective exhaust systems so dangerous? Internal combustion in engine produce extremely high carbon monoxide concentration. Even a properly tuned gasoline engine will produce more than 30,000 parts per million of carbon monoxide. An exhaust leakage can allow the escape of carbon monoxide before it is converted to non-toxic carbon dioxide. The carbon monoxide leakage from the exhaust system can enter the vehicle through the holes in the body or open windows or doors. With that in mind, we have created an innovation that is specifically targeted to tackle this issue in the automotive industry. It is called Ambico, a smart carbon monoxide detector with an air refreshener.
Objective of Ambico. The main objective of this product is as follows. First, give awareness to citizens about how carelessness in this issue could result in deaths, especially when taking a nap in a running idle car. Second, prevent concentrated carbon monoxide in vehicles that can affect driving performance. Third, alert passengers to service their vehicles if the alarm sounds due to CO leakage. And lastly, provide a better and safe environment in vehicles. Ambico is an innovation that aims to bring a comfortable way to utilize a CO detector in vehicles without the hassle of using a wired power source. The main novelty of this product is that it has an accurate CO detector with a buzzer that sounds when CO reaches a certain concentration to alert passengers and drivers. The software for the CO detector is purchased beforehand and assembled by us. It uses 85 decibel buzzer with a 9-volt battery. The CO detector can detect CO level from 0 to 999 ppm with a set of time coded to sound the alarm. It is connected to the 9-volt battery source. The buzzer is also not connected to the motherboard to sync with the CO detector. It can be easily be attached to any aircon grill or even any dashboard. The second novelty is that this product also have a slot for air refreshener. It have a simple sleek design that is minimalistic and modern. It also very compact for a portable CO detector. Battery and air refreshener replacement is very easy because the slot is accessible from the back without any screws.
Ambico is proven to be a successful innovation in products. Therefore, the product now is specialized in automotive industry. For instance, it can be modified to fit the criteria of other scenarios. Ambico can be very flexible in usage thoroughly in our daily life. It can be commercialized in different sectors other than the automotive sectors. We targeted these sectors as following. For the first, heavy industry sectors, and secondly will be the residential sectors. Ambico is proven to be very adaptive when it comes to requests to fit characteristics given by those two sectors above. As a result, we hope this innovation can be beneficial towards the environmental safety of humans and also to decrease the pollution in the world by reducing the plastic usage and making use of recyclable materials. We also hope Ambico can achieve its original aim, which is to spread awareness about carbon monoxide poisoning and reduce the death of innocent people regarding this issue.